In this video, we are going to explore one of the simplest yet most powerful feature of Synology SRM, and that's the Quick Connect. If you ever wanted to access your router or your NAS remotely without worrying about port forwarding or static IP, this is the feature you'll love. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how to enable and use Quick Connect on your router. So Quick Connect is a Synology's built-in remote access service. It lets you to connect to your SRM or other Synology devices securely through the internet using a simple QuickConnect ID. No need for public IPs, no need for complex configurations. Synology takes care of the connection securely using their relay service. So even if your ISP blocks port or you are on a dynamic IP, you can still access your remote devices like your router or your NAS. So let's get started. And on the Synology router, I'm going to show you how to enable the Quick Connect service. So once you log into your SRM, you have to go to Control Panel. In Control Panel, go to Internet, Quick Connect and DNS. Here's the simple step is to just enable Quick Connect and give it a Quick Connect ID. So let's give it a Quick Connect ID. So in the advanced option, you can see, so we have enabled it for mobile applications, file sharings, and SRM is important because that's the operating system you want to connect to. So make sure these are check mark, and then you just have to apply. So the following application ports are blocked by firewall from the internet access to all of the the desired applications. So I'm allowing 8000 and 8001. Okay, saving. So settings have been changed. So now as the Quick Connect is set up, so how do we access it? So if you see on the same page, here's a link to connect your router remotely. So either you just have to click this, remember this URL actually, so by that you'll be able to connect. So right now it's trying to connect to the router through the Synology relay servers. So all of it is it. Here is your login screen. Now you will be able to log in back to your router. I'm also going to show you another way how to access using your Quick Connect ID. If you can't remember the whole URL, you just have to go to Quick Connect, which you can search by Google. Here is the Synology Quick Connect. So it will ask you for the Quick Connect ID. So in our case, I created as I'm in our support. So I'll click on Connect, and this way you will be able to just go to your router. And the most important part is that you can access your router from outside your home network as well. So Quick Connect is designed with security in mind. All connections are encrypted with SSL TLS. But there are few best things that you should keep in mind, like as this router interface login screen will be available to the Quick Connect, so it's most important to keep your password very strong. If possible, just enable the two-factor authentication and make sure you are regularly updating your SRM firmware. That's all. It's very simple and very powerful tool in the SRM. So that's how simple it's used to use the Quick Connect. In the next video, I'll show you something more powerful than the Quick Connect, which is your dynamic DNS. That's another great way to remotely access your router, but this time you are not using the Synology servers rather than using your own domain name. So it's the same process kind of, but yeah, so here you have to enable the port forwarding also from the router so that you have the access uh, from your ISP modem as well. So if you found this video helpful, just don't forget to like, subscribe. Rest, I'll come back with more videos on this. Till then, have a great day. Thank you.